Join me as I take on the challenge of sticking to the keto diet for a whole month to see if I can actually lose weight and transform my eating habits. If you're new to the keto diet, you might be wondering what all the fuss is about. In a nutshell, the keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan that's gained popularity for weight loss. And in this video, we're going to cover the basics of the keto diet, the common challenges beginners face, and some essential tips to get you started on your keto journey. One of the biggest challenges when starting the keto diet is understanding what to eat and what to avoid. It can be overwhelming, especially when you're used to a high-carb diet. You might find yourself constantly wondering, is this food keto-friendly? Should I eat this or that? It's normal to feel this way, and it's one of the reasons why many people give up on the keto diet before they even get started. Another challenge is dealing with the initial side effects of transitioning into ketosis. Some people experience headaches, fatigue, or brain fog, which can be tough to navigate. It's like your body is going through a detox process, and it can be uncomfortable. A lot of beginners also struggle with the mental aspect of the keto diet. It requires a lot of self-control and discipline, especially when you're surrounded by temptations like bread, pasta, or sugary snacks. It can be hard to resist the temptation, especially when everyone around you is indulging. Additionally, many people struggle with meal planning and prep. It's not always easy to come up with keto-friendly meal ideas, and it can be time-consuming to prep your meals for the week. But don't worry, we'll cover some tips on how to make meal prep easier later on. The keto diet is based on a specific ratio of macronutrients: high fat, moderate protein, and low carbs. This ratio is what induces ketosis, a metabolic state in which your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbs. To get into ketosis, you need to drastically reduce your carb intake, which means saying goodbye to sugary drinks, bread, pasta, and most fruits. When it comes to food choices, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like meat, poultry, fish, eggs, veggies, and healthy oils like avocado and olive oil. Avoid processed foods, grains, and starchy vegetables like potatoes and corn. And don't forget to drink plenty of water and electrolyte-rich beverages to stay hydrated. Transitioning into ketosis can take some time, so be patient and don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. It's also essential to listen to your body and adjust your diet accordingly. If you're feeling weak or lethargic, it might be a sign that you need to increase your salt intake or adjust your macronutrient ratios. One crucial tip that can make or break your keto journey is meal prep. Meal prep is key to staying on track, especially when you're busy or don't have time to cook. Try to prep your meals for the week on Sundays or Mondays, and make sure you have a stash of keto-friendly snacks handy. You can also try meal prepping in bulk and freezing your meals for later. Another game changer is tracking your carb intake. It's easy to get carried away with cheat meals or snacks, but tracking your carbs can help you stay accountable and on track. You can use apps like MyFitnessPal or Keto Diet Buddy to track your macros and stay within your daily limits. Finally, don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. Remember that it's a journey, and it's okay to make mistakes. The key is to learn from your mistakes and get back on track as soon as possible. In summary, the keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan that can be an effective way to lose weight and improve your overall health. By understanding the common challenges beginners face, following the essential principles of the keto diet, and incorporating crucial tips like meal prep and carb tracking, you can set yourself up for success and achieve your weight loss goals. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you're new to the keto diet, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. Do you have any questions about the keto diet or any tips to share with our community? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on the keto diet and weight loss.